found where I was being held prisoner with a spy satellite. One of them KH-9s. This baby, it shits out a film canister 12 miles up, and a C-130 comes by, snags it at about 30,000 feet. This was not the digital age. This film had to be processed, analyzed, and delivered, all by hand. Our dog in the fight, this guy named Jonas Savimbi. You think I'm fucking nuts? This guy.
No! I need help over here! Hold on!
Mason!
Savimbi, you gotta help! Right! Damn it!
The fire finished him. Sometimes it's too late to save a man. Let's move out before we join him in death. Water fire means the MPLA is ready for attack. They want a fight! We give them a fight! Move out!
Mason, you copy?
Go ahead, Hudson!
MPLA forces advancing on your position about 1 click north.
Hey, we know! Savimbi's leading a countercharge!
He's got balls, I'll give him that!
What about Woods? Do we have confirmation on his location?
They've been moving him from one location to another. We expect Savimbi's men to report back soon.
The motors have stopped! Here they come! Here they come, my brothers! Fight, my brothers! Mason, target the motor crews! Never hide the rocks!
Mortar cruiser down! Damn it, Hudson! They got T-62 tanks in support! We need you to take the heat off!
Mason, I'll provide air support on your word.
Take out the tanks, Hudson!
Beginning strafing run. Damn it, I'm taking fire from the ground. Sooner or later, one of them is going to get elected.
Nice work, Hudson. There's a couple of MG trucks targeting you.
I can't make another pass till you take out those MG trucks.
I'm doing them.
victory has begun! Death to the MPLA!